Hello. In this 1.20.1 Minecraft modpack development video, we're going to be looking into how to add custom Immersive Engineering Cloche and Fertilizer recipes with KubeJS. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions, and feel free to subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure that you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Please feel free to check out my affiliate link in the description below. There's plenty of great information there that can help inform a possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get into the code. So we're going to first go into the cloche. So this needs to be in your server scripts folder because we will be using the server events.recipes event listener. We're going to pass in an event callback. And here we're going to be using the event.custom function. So with event.custom, you have to pass in a JSON. So first we need to specify the recipe type. So that's going to be Immersive Engineering Cloche. Then we need to specify our input. Here we're going to do an item. So this example we're going to be doing Mystical Agriculture's Inferium seeds. Next, we need to specify what it's going to look like. So this is using render. So render takes in two parameters. So first is the type, and that is going to be crop. And then the block is going to be mystical agriculture inferium crop. So that's the actual block in game. Next, we want to specify the results. So note in game, you can specify, there's 4 output slots in a cloche, so you want to do a max of 4 results. So results is actually going to be an array. So I want a cloche to give 2 inferium essence and 1 inferium seeds. So we can do that with count 2. You want to do that first and then the item. So mystical agriculture inferium essence. And then we want to do another thing here, and we want to do item. Again, we just want to do an item of mystical agriculture of inferium seeds. If you do not specify a count, that's just going to default to 1. Then next, we want to specify the soil. So here, I'm going to use pass in the mystical agriculture inferium farmland. And then finally, we want to specify a time, how long it takes to grow without any fertilizer. So all we need to do is just specify something. So I'm gonna put 640 ticks. It's not seconds, it's ticks. And then I highly recommend you put an ID. So I usually do something like KubeJS, Immersive Engineering, or at least that's what I'm doing in my mod pack, /cloche / whatever the main output is. So inferium essence. So this is one good example of adding a recipe to a cloche. You need all these inputs in your JSON or else it won't work. So next, we're going to take a look at fertilizer. So as some background here, in the base game, base mod, bone meal has a value of 1.3. Fertilizer has a value of 1.6. I'm talking about the Immersive Engineering fertilizer. Immersive Engineering saltpeter has a growth modifier of 1.2. A slag has a growth modifier of 1.3, and then sulfur has a growth modifier of 1.1. So as the default, the growth modifier is 1.0 without any addition. So sulfur, for example, it grows 10% faster with the item in there. So we're going to do server events.recipes again, pass in our event callback. We're going to do event.custom. So in the Immersive Engineering mod, registering a fertilizer is technically a recipe, so that's why we're doing that. We're going to pass in our JSON. So the type here is going to be Immersive Engineering Fertilizer. Next, we want to pass in the growth modifier. So I'm going to be using mystical fertilizer from Mystical Agriculture, so I'm going to make that around 2.0. And then we want to specify our input. Obviously, you can only put one here, and you can only put in item. So Mystical Agriculture, Mystical Fertilizer. And then I want to give it an ID. So again, I usually do something like KubeJS, the mod, / the recipe type, so fertilizer, and then the main item of concern, so mystical fertilizer. So this video covered examples. Well, one example for registering a cloche recipe, and one example of fertilizer recipe for the cloche itself. So if you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to comment below. I'm always looking for new video ideas, so feel free to comment or join my Discord and ask about that there as well. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.